Hi, everybody. I'm Neeli Bendapudi, the president of the University of Louisville. And I hope that all of you, CARD family, that you are practicing physical distancing and that you're taking care of your physical and mental health. I just thought I'd provide a quick update to you. As you can tell, I'm working remotely from home, as are most of our employees today. Let me just give you a quick update on what's happening with our students, our faculty and staff, and with our research enterprise. Students, especially graduating students, I am so sorry. I know that you are all looking so forward to your graduation and your commencement ceremony we've had to postpone. I know that it's disappointing to you, it's disappointing to us, but really it was the right thing to do for the health and safety of you and your families and everybody concerned. But listen up, we're looking for ideas on how to celebrate you virtually. So please keep those ideas coming. As you know, many of our students look to us, the University of Louisville, as their home. This is where they feel safest or they're unable to travel. So from the get-go, we've made a strong commitment that as long as students choose to stay here, that we'll continue to provide housing and dining options to them. And also to try to be as nimble and reduce as much stress as we can for all of our students we've moved to pass-fail for this semester. And lastly, I want to remind everybody that even for the summer session, we have made a decision to move entirely online. None of this would be possible if it were not for the work of our incredible faculty and staff. Faculty, I don't know how to thank you enough. In less than 4 days, most of you have had to transition your in-class materials and instruction modalities to be prepared to take this online and to teach remotely. Thank you. And I know I speak for all faculty when I say this would not have been possible without the incredible hard work of our staff. I've mentioned to you that most of our faculty and staff are working remotely, but I want to take a moment and acknowledge how many people do not have that option. These are the true heroes. Certainly, we all know about in healthcare, whether it's doctors and nurses and technicians who are showing up every day and doing what it takes. But I don't want us to forget also people working in our physical plant, our custodians, people working in housing and dining, our police. I could go on and on. So many heroes who are stepping up and they are coming to work. What is the best way that you and I can thank them? Please stay home if you don't absolutely have to be at work. I also want to take a moment and talk about our researchers. The beauty of the University of Louisville being an R1 research institution is that thanks to the incredible work of our researchers, we are the place that's doing testing for 15 area hospitals. So it's not just us at UofL Health and our own hospitals, but we are the resource for testing for many hospitals in the Commonwealth and some in Indiana. I'm also so proud of the work that every corner of the university is doing. From our engineering school, where faculty and staff and students at speed are working on 3D printing masks and other PPE to keep our healthcare workers safe, to the incredible work done from our Center for Infectious Diseases, our Center for Predictive Medicine that's already working on both vaccinations for coronavirus and for antibody testing. So this is a time of unprecedented change for most of us. Why do I say most of us? For all of us. These are truly uncharted waters. And I could not be more proud, because a quote of Emerson's that I've always loved, I might butcher it because I'm quoting it from memory, but what lies behind us and what lies before us are very small matters compared to what lies within us. And within the core of the cardinal spirit is resiliency, it's grit, it's compassion, and knowing that service above self is what motivates every single one of us. I'm proud of you. I'm grateful for you, and go Cards.